double-ended dreadlocks installed right there. And now we have one more to install right here. I'm gonna try to do that this way. So, still working with those longer pieces that I have. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the crochet hook. I'm going to go, I hope I explained earlier that you're going between your scalp as well as the hair tie. The hair tie is creating that loop for you to crochet through. Hold on, getting tangled. Okay, so we have this elastic and we have your scalp. We're going in between this little bit between the elastic and your scalp. So down through like so, and now we have the hook just like that. Dreadlock on the loop, on the hook, close that latch and pull out. Now we have the loop, now we have the loop and the dreadlocks. Lightly tug on the loop on one side and pull a dreadlock through. Just check the ends, very uneven, so match them up like that and pull. So now they are even, and we can go ahead and take this little bit of hair and pull so that it's tight to the scalp, and split in half again and grab onto a dreadlock. I need to split that section a little bit better. So split this and grab a dreadlock and start to braid. Just like so. Now we're at the bottom of the braid and we can go ahead and grab that elastic and tie it off. Just like that. So I have a little bit of hair loose down here. You can see right there. Now there's multiple things that you can do. You can attach another hair tie, and I'll do that for the purposes of just showing you guys in this video. Typically, if it's like, if I have hair that's like flying out like that, you can just leave it and it'll kind of attach itself to the dreadlock a little bit, and it'll stay flatter to your dreadlock if you just leave it alone. But if you want a cleaner look and don't want those flyaways, you can just take an elastic and bring it to the end of where that hair is and secure it off, and then you won't have it flying out as much, you see. So here's what we have so far. We have 4 double-ended installed. Here's where they hit me. So here's where we're at right now. Here's the dreads. Here are the dreads down. And in the back. Now I will continue and So we have half of the set installed. This is where we stopped parting going this way, like horizontal around the curve of my head. This is where we started splitting it down the middle and did side to side. We like to part this, then this section, then this section, and then we go to this, this, and this. And that's where it hits me. This is the point where we can start to organize them the way that we want to. Working side by side now. So I like to typically get this side done, and I do these four. I have 4 sections, 5 and 5, and then 4, 5, 5. There are my 4 sections. I'm gonna put a braid right here. You can grab that little section of hair and pull it through the loop, so that you have this section right here. Now what I do is I take the hair and I split it and pull that hair tie as close as I can to the scalp. And that kind of holds this so that it doesn't move too much. And now I will split and braid as normal. Just like that. And that's a single-ended. Now I'm gonna continue with adding those double-ended here and here. And I will be adding a couple of decorations here and there, but I will be adding them up here more so than down here. That makes sense, you'll see. Here I'm on the shorter ones, by the way. Now we have just a little bit left to go. So we have this bit to install right here.